Welcome to my channel. Separate clay, a scissor, a glue, a white paper, toothpick, marker colors, scale. Let's start to make it. Cut it and fold it and paste it. Let's making some tablets. Cut it. Making some mini balls with the help of separate clay. We use a little amount of paper to making tablets cover. Cut it. Mary channel ko please subscribe kar day. Is dabe ka kap banate hai? Cut it. We use same method with paper. Wow! It's done! We made the handle. We making injection. Cut it. We use some separate clay. Let's making thermometer. Let's making band-aids. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Making syrup. Band-aids. Injection. Thermometer. Syrup. Tablets. Thanks for watching.